First of all, today we will do the character sketch of Prince Hamlet as the novel that we have read. We will this character sketch is there in your book. This is in your book. This is page number. Okay. Character sketch of Prince Hamlet, and in your book, this is page number 75. Page 75 in your book. Are you all listening to me? Raise your hands if you are listening. Okay, that's very good. Very good. Okay, let's start it. Character sketch Hamlet, the Prince of Denmark. Now you can easily see that there are some of the words that are written in bold. They are written in dark. So when you will be writing their character sketch, make sure that you write these words with marker to make them bold, to highlight them basically. Look at the presentation. How do we write a character sketch? The title of the character is written. It is the center heading. Prince Hamlet हमने बिल्कुल center में लिखा है. It is the center heading. After that, in the next line, the side heading would be character sketch. Character sketch. And from the next line, we will start it. Hamlet, the Prince of Denmark, was a quiet, thoughtful young man. Hamlet, who was the Prince of Denmark, was a quiet person. It means that he was not used to talk a lot. ज़्यादा उसको बातें करने का शौक नहीं था. And he was a thoughtful means समझदार, wise. बहुत ही समझदार, खामोश तबीयत का इंसान था वो. He was a young boy. He had never been interested in fighting. He never liked fighting. उसे कभी भी लड़ाई झगड़ा और ये सारी चीजें बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं थी. He preferred to read a book instead. Instead का मतलब होता है बजाय. इसके बजाय उसे ज्यादा अच्छा लगता था. Preferred का मतलब होता है बेहतर समझना. तो वो बेहतर समझता था कि लड़ाई झगड़े के बजाय कोई बुक पढ़ ली जाए. But his life changed completely when his father, the late king of Denmark, died suddenly. So he was leading a very quiet and happy life, a satisfying, contented life. बिल्कुल सुकून से जिंदगी गुजार रहा था वो. मगर क्या हुआ, अचानक उसकी लाइफ बिल्कुल चेंज हो गई. और कैसे चेंज हो गई? When his father, जब उसके father, the king of Denmark, died suddenly, अचानक king of Denmark की death हो गई. Hamlet got terribly upset as he loved his father very much, and because being a good son to his father, Hamlet loved his father very much. That is why when his father died, Hamlet became very upset. बहुत ही upset हो गया वो. He got even more upset. इससे भी ज़्यादा upset वो किस बात पर हो गया? When his mother, Queen Gertrude, married his uncle Claudius. जब क्या हुआ कि क्वीन गर्ट्रूड जो उसकी मदर है, शी मैरिड, रीमैरिड, दूसरी शादी कर ली उन्होंने. किससे? हिज अंकल क्लॉडियस. अंकल हियर मींस हिज फादर्स ब्रदर. उनके चचा, उनके फादर के भाई के साथ, क्लॉडियस के साथ क्वीन गर्ट्रूड ने शादी कर ली. Hamlet never accepted him as his father. Hamlet did not like Claudius. He never liked Claudius. उसको वो नहीं लगता था कि क्लॉडियस जो है वो बहुत अच्छा इंसान है. That is why he never accepted him as his father. He could never give his father's place to Claudius. अपने father की जगह वो Claudius को कभी भी नहीं दे सकता था. When he came to know that Claudius had murdered his father, now a time comes when the king's ghost, it comes and tells Hamlet that actually the king was murdered by Claudius. So he came to know, उसे पता चल जाता है जब कि क्लॉडियस ने उसके फादर का मर्डर किया, he made up his mind to take revenge. He made up his mind to take revenge, but it was easy for him to think about killing someone, but not at all easy to do. उसको जब ये पता चल जाता है, he made up his mind means he made a plan. He planned, he was determined. उसने पक्का इरादा कर लिया to take revenge, बदला लेने का इरादा कर लिया. But it was easy for him to think about killing someone. Now remember that he is not of such a person who likes fighting. उसे ये fighting वाइटिंग और ये वाली बातों में बिल्कुल इंटरेस्ट नहीं था. So it was easy for him to think about that. I will take revenge, I will kill this person and that person. ये उसके लिए सोचना आसान था, मगर करना उसके लिए बहुत मुश्किल था. Claudius encouraged Laertes to take revenge for the killing. Claudius encouraged Laertes to take revenge for the killing. Killing के बाद off लिख ले बेटा, off missing है यहाँ पर, इसको लिख ले. Claudius encouraged Laertes to take revenge for the killing of his father Polonius. इसका मतलब है कि Laertes को क्लॉडियस ने इनकरेज किया, उसका हौसला बढ़ाया कि उसे बदला लेना चाहिए. किस बात का बदला लेना चाहिए? उसके फादर की डेथ का बदला लेना चाहिए, पोलोनियस की डेथ का बदला लेना चाहिए. That's why he said that Claudius actually encouraged him. Okay, Laertes challenged Hamlet to a friendly sword fight and used a sharp and pointed sword instead of a blunt one. अब क्या हुआ है? According to the plan, how Laertes was going to take revenge of his father's death. कैसे लेने वाला था वो? वो इस तरह लेने वाला था कि उसने चैलेंज किया हेमलेट को, एक फ्रेंडली स्वॉर्ड फाइट के लिए चैलेंज किया. और जब उसने चैलेंज किया तो इन दैट, बिकॉज ये फ्रेंडली स्वॉर्ड फाइट होती है. फ्रेंडली स्वॉर्ड फाइट मीन्स दैट इट इज नॉट सच अ, वो कोई एक दूसरे को जान से मारने के लिए नहीं होती. इट इज लाइक अ गेम. सो जब वो उसने उसको चैलेंज किया, एक फ्रेंडली स्वॉर्ड फाइट के लिए चैलेंज किया, he used a sharp and pointed sword. Usually in such kind of friendly matches, sword fights, the players they used blunt swords. जो blunt होती थी वो sharp नहीं होती थी, जिसकी वजह से क्या होता था कि even if a person gets hit by the sword, उसको कोई चोट नहीं लगती थी. He never gets hurt और ऐसे. But at this time, because Laertes was cheating, he had some other plans. It was not a friendly match from his point of view. That is why he used a sharp and pointed sword instead of a blunt one. So he did not follow the rules of the match. उसने बिल्कुल भी follow नहीं किया उस rules को जो कि sword fight के rules होते हैं. उसके बजाय, इसका मतलब है blunt sword के बजाय उसने एक sharp और pointed sword इस्तेमाल की. Hamlet being a nice person. Now, although his life has changed, but personally, according to his nature, he was a very nice person, a nice and kind person, quiet person. Hamlet, he was a very nice person, apologized for all the unhappiness he had caused Laertes. Hamlet realized that he actually had caused a lot of problems for Laertes. उसे अब पता चल रहा था कि उसने Laertes को बहुत सारे दुख दिए, उसकी वजह से Laertes को बहुत सारी तकलीफें पहुंची हैं. That is why he said sorry to him. Apologize किया उन्होंने Laertes से उन तमाम बातों के लिए, उन तमाम चीजों के लिए जिसकी वजह से उनको दुख पहुंचा है. In the end, Hamlet killed Claudius with the sharp poisoned sword and took his revenge. But then at the end, what happened? That the sword that Laertes was using, it was not only sharp, but it was poisoned also. Poison लगा हुआ था उसके ऊपर. So Hamlet used that sharp and poisoned sword to kill Claudius. And he took his revenge. At last he succeeded. आखिरकार वो बदला लेने में कामयाब हो जाता है. But he also died by the poison of the sword. But unfortunately, He also had got the cut from the same sword, and he died because of the poison of that sword. Okay, this is the character sketch of Hamlet, Prince Hamlet. Now, students, as I told you yesterday, that I will give you a test of MCQs. We have already done all the MCQs. Now, those students who were telling me yesterday that they had missed that those MCQs exercise and vocabulary and usage exercise, today is the time that you can easily mark the correct answers, as the other students would be answering the questions. Those who have missed the class, they will mark the correct answers accordingly. All right. All right, students, all those who have not marked the correct answers, I'm going to give a test of MCQs now. You will answer the questions, and along with that, those who have missed the class will mark the correct answers. All right. Those who know the answers, they will raise their hands. All right. Number one, Hamlet was the prince of dash. Scotland, Denmark, England. नहीं जी, मैं टेस्ट दे रही हूँ ना, टेस्ट हो रहा है.